good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you again from Bigtone Productions. Hey, I'm on a road trip. We're going to the Bahamas, but we made a stop here in Memphis, Tennessee at a little restaurant that they call the Pfunky Griddle. This is a cool concept. I've never seen this before. But if you look here in the middle of the table, there's actually a grill that you cook things on. So you cook your pancakes, your French toast, and your hash browns, that type of thing. You cook your own food. I'm kind of opposed to this because I want somebody to cook my shit. I don't want to cook food. That's why I came to the restaurant. But it might be fun, so we're going to try it. And I'll show you a little bit more in a minute. Cooking it up. I got my onions on there sauteing. And she's got her French toast, hash browns over there. I got my eggs mixed up with some salt and pepper. I got my ham I got cut up. You see my cheese here? We're gonna make it happen this morning. My carrots and my lemon burger. Crushing up the walnuts on there. I've got my eggs on here. With my ham. I'm ready to put my cheese on next. Guys, there's my omelet. Check it out. I'm gonna flip it here in just a moment. Flip it. Hash browns over there. French toast, omelet. She still got an egg to cook. Here's what it is. I cooked it myself on this little bitty grill here. And carrying her French toast. I don't know, it's kind of fun, whimsical. Something in the morning. Probably a little too early. It was cool breakfast. It was just enough, I guess. So it was fun. You know, yeah, quite a bit. So if you want something a little different, you cook your own food in the morning. Coming out to the, what's it called? The Funky what?
Griddle.
The Pfunky Griddle. Nashville, Tennessee. Hey guys, this is Bigtone signing off until we get to Atlanta. Peace. All right, BFM, we are on our way to Atlanta. Hot Atlanta. Now, the Pfunky Griddle, is that what it's called?
Yes.
The Pfunky Griddle, it was cute. It was a nice little something different. But I'd be damned if I want to cook my food when I'm paying the restaurant to do it. But it was something different. If you like something a little different when you're in Nashville, go to the Pfunky Griddle. And what was our waitress's name? T?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Waitress's name was T. She was pretty good. So go check it out if you want to. For me, cook my damn food, y'all. Cook it. That's what I'm paying you for. But it was fun. If I want to cook my food, I'll put up another video. There will be one on Friday, so wait for it. On our way to Atlanta. Peace.